Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. For modeling this machine component, we are going to take these dimensions. All the dimensions are in mm. Now we'll model this component. First go to the NX, new. Here choose model. Our units are in millimeter. Specify the file name, specify the location, then say OK. So these are our dimensions. Keep this software here. Yes. Now we'll start from the material addition feature, then we'll finish with the material removal feature. First I'm going to start with this complete feature, outer edges. For that go to sketch, top plane, say OK. First take the rectangle. Just draw the rectangle. Here the rectangle total length is 32 and 32. It's a square. Just specify the dimension of 32. Say OK. Press the roller to confirm. And these two make it equal. Say OK. And these two. Now just make this rectangle be symmetric. Say OK. Now sketch is fully defined. We have created this rectangle. Then we'll create this feature. For that take the circle. The diameter of the circle is the outer edge, the radius of 10. Just provide the value of diameter is 20. Say OK. The center distance is 20 plus 36. From here to here, the distance is 20 plus 36. 20 plus 36, press enter it. Then just connect with the tangent line. Take the line. From here to here, press the roller to confirm. Similarly, press here and here, press the roller to confirm. Again, press the roller to confirm. Now use the trim tool to remove the unwanted edges, this one and this one. Just close it. Just finish the sketch. Then go to extrude. Make it symmetric value. Now the total extrusion length is 18 mm. 18. Say OK. Now we have created this feature. Then we'll do the material removal feature. First we'll start with this keyway cut. Just go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Now first create on center line. From this point to here. This is a vertical line. Specify the dimension of 40. Say OK. Just make it construction line. Then put a circle here. The diameter of the circle is 15. And the center distance from here to here is 20. Say OK. Now take the rectangle. Connect from here. Just join with here. This also is just connected to this. These two make it. Now make it this symmetric. So this point, just directly go here. Select this point. Select this point. Select this axis. Just apply it. Now specify the thickness. The thickness is 4 mm. Press the roller to confirm it. Now remove the unwanted edges using a trim tool. Remove this one, and this one, and this one. Then close it. Now finish the sketch. Then go to extrude. Just change the direction. Make it until next. Make sure you are in the subtract. Save OK. Now we have created this cut. Then we'll create this cut. For that, just go to the sketch again. Select this right plane. Save OK. Now we have got the center axis. Simply just put the one rectangle here. This rectangle, here they have specified from the center to this edge distance is 12 mm. Here the radius we have 10 mm. So 10 plus 12 is 22. So minus 56 minus 22. Then from here to here the dimension is. Now just from here to here the dimension is 56 minus 22. Say yes. And this is, we make it some more distance. And the slot width is 7 mm. This width is 7 mm. And make this as a symmetric here and here, and this one just OK it. Then this is just apply as some 40. Now we have finished the sketching. Then go for finish sketch, extrude. We are in the mid plane. Make here symmetric value. Provide some value of 50. Save OK. Now we have created this cut also. Then we'll go for the holes. First we'll create this hole. First we'll finish hole here. Simply take this hole tool and move our cursor to edge of this circle. You will get this hole at the center of the circle. The diameter of the hole is 10 mm. Make throughout the body. Just OK. Then we just want to create one more hole. Just take this hole. Simply we place the hole here. Now just modify this dimension. From top to this dimension is 9 mm. And this dimension is 7 mm. And the diameter of the hole is 7 mm. Make this hole throughout the body. Save OK. Now we have created a hole here also. I hope you have completed this model. Just rotate and have a look once. Now just go to the orient view, isometric. Now we have finished this model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. In next video, we will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.